Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Hollyland LARK M2 not turning on, not working, not pairing or connecting. Fix 1. Fully charge the microphone and receiver. Low battery is the most common cause of connection issues. Place the transmitters TX and receiver RX in the charging case. Allow them to charge until the indicator lights show a full charge. Remove them from the charging case and check if they power on automatically. Fix 2. Power cycle the system. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Turn off both the transmitter and receiver. Wait 30 seconds. Turn them back on. Check if the LEDs become solid blue, indicating a successful connection. Fix 3. Manually turn on the devices. If automatic startup is not working, press and hold the power button on the transmitter for about 3 seconds. Press and hold the receiver power button for about 3 seconds. Verify that the LEDs illuminate. Fix 4. Repair the transmitter and receiver. If the devices are powered on but not connecting. For the transmitter TX, turn the transmitter off. Press and hold the yellow button for 6 seconds. Release when the blue LED starts flashing rapidly. For the receiver RX, press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. Wait for the receiver LED to flash blue. Complete pairing. Keep both units close together. Wait until both LEDs turn solid blue. This confirms successful pairing. Fix 5. Check the receiver connection. If the microphone is paired but still not working, on smartphones, disconnect and reconnect the receiver. Ensure the USB-C or Lightning connector is fully inserted. Remove any dirt or debris from the port. On cameras, verify the 3.5 mm audio cable is connected securely. Confirm the camera is set to use an external microphone. Fix 6. Verify audio input settings. Sometimes the microphone is connected but the recording device is using its internal microphone. Windows or Mac. Open sound settings. Set Hollyland LARK M2 as the default input device. Android or iPhone. Open your camera or recording app. Make sure an external microphone is selected if the app provides that option. Fix 7. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can cause pairing and performance problems. Open the Lark Sound app, mobile version. Check for available firmware updates. Install any updates and restart the devices afterward. Fix 8. Inspect for physical damage. Damaged charging contacts. Bent USB-C or Lightning connectors. Loose microphone clips. Water or moisture damage. If one transmitter works while the other does not, the faulty unit may require service or replacement. Fix 9. Factory repair the system. If nothing else works, place the TX and RX close together. Put both devices into pairing mode. Allow them to reconnect from scratch. Wait for solid blue LEDs on both units. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. And subscribe to our channel.